Shotty Bear is afraid of the dark. He does not want to sleep alone. This scare me, he said. Then Shotty Bear cries out to his nightmare. Then I just snort.
I don't know. I
A
didn't hear.
piggy. A piggy. Little bears. Wait, I need to like. Little. A shotty bear small. Nine hears his cry. She brings something special to him. As God is. As God. As this light night to remind you that you are never alone. God is here with you while you sleep. She'll. Oh, ah. Shotty Bear looks at his nightlight. It reminds me of the stars in the sky. If God can put the stars in the sky, then surely He can watch